Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll explore the GL impact of a credit memo in NetSuite. When a customer returns an item, a return authorization is typically created, followed by the issuance of a credit memo. The GL impact of a credit memo includes a reduction in both sales and accounts receivable accounts. As an example, let's open a credit memo. Go to Actions and click GL Impact. The GL impact affects both accounts receivable and sales accounts. Going back to the credit memo, you can see that the amount is $500. Let's check the return authorization from which this credit memo was created. I'll open the invoice as well so we can check it later. You can see the same $500 amount for this return authorization. Now, let's check the invoice from which the return authorization was created. The invoice shows the same quantity and amount as the credit memo. Now, let's go and check the GL impact. The same accounts are affected in the invoice. The difference is that the invoice increased both accounts by $500, and when the item was returned, both accounts were decreased, effectively zeroing out the amount. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.